Recording calls on Zoom without the permission of the host is most likely illegal. But in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to record Zoom calls from your phone, tablet, or even PC and Mac without the permission of the host. I'm Delpy and welcome to Bytes Unlocked. I would really appreciate it if you could hit the subscribe button, turn on post notifications so you don't miss any updates from us. Hit the like button as well if you enjoyed the video. That is really important to me because it pushes the video to various lengths you can't even imagine. Now, if you want to record a Zoom call, this tutorial is quite sketchy. I'd like you to understand that if you're going to record a Zoom call without the permission of the host, it should be a call that is not going to leak out. Maybe it's something for your personal purposes. If anything happens, please, I won't be held responsible for the consequences. Now, there's just a simple step, a simple method you'd have to apply for all platforms: PC, tablet, smartphone, Mac, and iPhones. That is by installing a screen recorder. So you can get a screen recorder for mobile devices. You can get the Mobizen screen recorder. You can get the AZ screen recorder. Some smartphones on Android actually have inbuilt screen recorders already. What to do is to open the screen recorder while the Zoom meeting is going on, and then you make sure you've enabled record with internal audio. When you turn that option on, you're good to go. You can record your Zoom meeting with the audio altogether if you are not given permission to record the call by the host. On Mac and PC, there are screen recording softwares for that. On PC, I'd recommend the Movavi video recorder. I'll leave a link to download it in the description so you can download that one as well if you want to try and record via your PC. That is if you're using a Windows PC. On Mac, there's a QuickTime player there. All you have to do is to start a recording with your QuickTime player and you're good to go. Make sure to also toggle the record with sound in the options menu via the QuickTime player on your Mac devices. Now, like I said, just download a screen recording software, any screen recording software at all. It could be on the Play Store or on the App Store, and you're good to go. I'll leave respective links to some of these free screen recording softwares in the description. You can check them out and start recording your Zoom calls if you're not given permission by the host. I'm Delpy, and thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, remember to leave a like on the video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification icon so you don't miss any updates from us. Stay safe. Peace out.